ChapelBridge is one of Lucerne's most iconic landmarks and a must-see when visiting the city.
अनि यो सिटी चाहिँ मजाले यहाँबाट देखिने रहेछ वाउ
This is it. Okay, I'm confused. Baba.
Where?
Baba, where are you?
I'm here. Sorry.
Lake Lucerne is a stunning gem in the heart of Switzerland. This lake is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and breathtaking landscapes. We can explore Mount Pilatus or Mount Rigi by cogwheel trains or cable cars for unforgettable panoramic views. ChapelBridge is one of Lucerne's most iconic landmarks and a must-see when visiting the city. Inside the bridge, we'll find a series of 17th-century paintings that depict scenes from Lucerne's history. It's one of the most photographed landmarks in Switzerland. The Museggmauer, or Museggwall, is a historic fortification in Lucerne, Switzerland. Built in the late 14th century, it stretches for about 870 meters and stands approximately 9 meters tall. Originally designed to protect the city from enemy attacks, it's one of the longest and best-preserved medieval defensive walls in Switzerland. Visitors can explore the wall and its towers, offering panoramic views of Lucerne and the surrounding areas. The Glacier Garden, or Glacier Garden, in Lucerne, is a fascinating outdoor museum that takes you on a journey through geological time. This newly opened underground path allows visitors to explore the history of Lucerne sandstone, from its formation to its transformation by glaciers.
Wow! Panorama view नै रहेछ
This park features a beautiful landscape with ponds, huts, and scenic views, all set within a former quarry. It's a great spot for both history enthusiasts and nature lovers. The Mirror Maze is inside the Glacier Garden. This enchanting labyrinth was originally built in 1896 for the Swiss National Exhibition in Geneva and has been a part of the Glacier Garden since 1891. It's inspired by the fairy tale Alhambra Palace in Granada, Spain. The maze consists of 51 mirrors that create a mesmerizing illusion of endless reflections, making it a fun and slightly disorienting experience as you navigate through it. It's a popular attraction for visitors of all ages and adds a whimsical touch to the historical and geological wonders of the Glacier Garden.
Sorry, हाम्रो उस धेरै नभाग है फेरि हराउला फेरि
ये तो होमो
Hey, Mom.
रियल हो
hello me
What?
what did I bump into you do this Baba
I know.
you smack everywhere
This way. But no. Here.
here
Okay,
there's a mirror over here
त्यो मान्छे पनि हामीले देखेको हो तर पकाएको छैन
Baba.
here wait which is a real
Lost?
Baba
I'm
Baba
here. Sound. You listen.
Baby lost भयो क्या हो?
हाई भनेको यहाँ उसलाई हाई भनेको हामीले
हाई मैले त भनेकै थिइनँ त हाई
oh yeah this is it okay I'm confused Baba
Where? Lo.
Baba where are you
I'm here. यता छोरी यहाँ
let's stay together
यता उयो देखिरहेको छु म छु यता उ त्यहाँ मैना हो त्यो होइन हो रहेछ